This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take off Nissan Versa door panel, easy method. Start by lowering the window so you can access clips and screws. Remove the interior handle cover, then unscrew visible fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel from the door frame, releasing the retaining clips. Lift the panel up to disengage from the window ledge and unplug any electrical connectors before fully removing the panel. First, locate all the fasteners, including screws under covers and behind the armrest. Carefully pop off trim caps with a flat tool and set them aside. Use a screwdriver to remove screws and keep them organized so reassembly is easy. Check for push clips along the panel perimeter and pry them out slowly with a trim tool to avoid snapping. Confirm all fasteners are removed before attempting to unclip the panel from the door. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during breaks and long projects, and it pairs nicely with a clean, organized workspace. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals mentioned in this video so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin at a bottom corner and pull outward to disengage the plastic clips along the edge. Move around the panel, releasing each clip so the panel separates evenly without warping. Once loose, tilt the panel upwards to clear the window channel, taking care with any latch cables or wiring. Reach behind to unplug the window switch and speaker harness, then fully remove the panel and set it aside on a soft surface to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.